In this video, I am going to review about the best pocket knife on the market. Number 1. Victorinox Classic SD7 Function Pocket Knife. The Victorinox Classic SD7 Function Pocket Knife is a compact and durable tool that is perfect for everyday use and outdoor adventures. The Swiss-made stainless steel construction encased in the popular scales offers a slimmer profile and is extremely resistant. The knife is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great gift for any occasion or stocking stuffer for Christmas. The knife has 7 functions including small blade, scissors, nail file, screwdriver 2.5mm, key ring, toothpick, tweezers, which makes it a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. Victorinox provides a lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship, ensuring that this knife will be a reliable tool for many years to come. It is made in Switzerland, no assembly required, and money-back guarantee. Number 2. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA24S7 1SS Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA24S7 1SS folding knife is a durable and dependable folding knife that is ideal for everyday carry. It has an overall length of 7.1 inches with a blade length of 3.1 inches and a weight of 3.5 ounces. The blade is made of reliable 7CR17 Mauve black oxide high carbon stainless steel with a black aluminum handle. The knife features a convenient pocket clip, finger flipper, and ambidextrous thumb knobs for quick and easy access. The liner lock provides security and confidence that the blade will not slip during use. The knife also features jimping and serrations to help with different cutting tasks. The knife is guaranteed by a limited lifetime warranty. For questions or warranty, contact customer service. Number 3. Tac Force Spring Assisted Folding Pocket Knife. The Tac Force Spring Assisted Folding Pocket Knife is a high-quality folding knife that is designed for a variety of uses. It is made from quality materials, including a 3CR13 black stainless steel blade that provides an excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance. The knife is manufactured with the military, police, and fire and rescue professionals' needs in mind. It is a durable and dependable knife that can be used for camping, hiking, backpacking, hunting, and fishing, as well as for military and tactical needs, DIY activities, survival, self-defense, and emergencies. The knife has a 3.25 inches drop point partially serrated blade and an overall length of 7.75 inches. It also features a spring-assisted finger flipper, blade cutout, pocket clip, gray camo-coated aluminum handle with black stainless steel liner lock, glass punch, and a bottle opener. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking and wait for the next video.